The moment Lauren exceeded her $1,000,000 goal to find a cure for cancer. The moment Willie held her great-great-great-great-grandchild at a family picnic. The moment Don, a World War II veteran, felt the love of a grateful nation. Think the only moments you get on hospice are spent lying in bed? Ask the thousands of families leaning on the support of hospice and palliative care professionals. They'll tell you what hospice really looks like. It's people living their lives on their terms, surrounded by loved ones, supported by experts in end-of-life care. Doctors, nurses, aides, social workers, chaplains, therapists, and counselors. Hospice is a diverse team of compassionate specialists and volunteers. Their only focus is to make these moments of life possible. Quiet moments. Joyous moments. Moments to say thank you. Moments to say I love you. This is what life is like on hospice. Learn the difference hospice can make in your life at momentsoflife.org.
Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful.